friend, so here shows you how to use our remote control to control our 7 watts golden remote control dimmable LED bulb. Here I use A channel to control it. Long press A and please turn on the light. You can see here it's rotating from warm light to cold light, means successfully connecting. Okay, I turn on A, press A again, then you can turn on and turn off our bulb. The response is very fast, you can see here. Almost at the same time. The same time I press the button, the same time our bulb will be on or off. Okay, this is moonlight mode. Rotating mode, quickly change from warm white to cold white, or and day white as you like, and up and down to brightness to dim the brightness. Down is for darker and for lower brightness, and the up button for higher brightness, and the left one for more warm white, and the right button for more cold white. Here is turn on or on button, and here is or off button. Or off, or on, or on. Okay, thank you for watching.